Welcome to the in front of me Honor 9X Lite, and today I'll show you how to link or unlink the Google Assistant Promo 2 power button on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the Smart Assistant. Now just go here to the motion control section, and right there you'll see the Google Assistant section. And now just to wake your Google Assistant with the power button, just tap here once on the switcher, and now just hold your power button for a few seconds and you'll just turn on your Google Assistant. And if you turn it off, just tap again here on the button, and as can you see, we just unlink our Google Assistant from the power key button. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.